Hello again, everybody. Indian Stan here, Indian Motorcycle, Metro, Milwaukee, and Muskego. I'm joined by Jackson. Jackson gets to tell you some neat stuff in a moment. So we're trying a new program now. As many of you know, we have a lot of posts that we put out there with memes and little short videos. We're going to start doing podcasts so we can put all of our events, specials, and promotions maybe once a week, and you can see them all over the place. They will be posted on our YouTube. We will provide you with the link, and then you can go to Indian's YouTube channel. So the first thing is this weekend we have an open house. If you come in and you scan this QR code, you'll be in the drawing for a 2024 Scout 60, Bobber, or Rogue. That's a very, very neat program. We have some more things along with it. Jackson's going to tell you about a promotion we have in-house. Jackson?
All right, so Indians put a couple coupons out for the public, which is really nice of them. They look like this right here, and so I'll talk to you about it. So if you spend $100, you get 20 off. You spend $250, you get 50 off. Or if you spend $500, you get 100 off. That's Indian products sent out by Indian right here. So come in and use this, save yourself some money, get your dream stuff. And they also have another one out, which is you can save $10 off an oil change kit, which is a good thing to get because riding season's coming up. Do it now. You're going to need it. Take advantage of the savings. And number two is $50 off any service. So if you get anything done in the service department, take advantage of that $50 off. These coupons will be going until April 30th, but get the supplies while they last because riding season's coming and everyone's going to be buying everything. I have these in the house.
So all you got to do is ask from Jackson or Parts Guy Patrick, and they'll help you with this, also with Christine back in apparel. A couple more items. If you're in tomorrow, we have some really neat little promotions from Maddie's. We've partnered with Maddie's Bar and Grill on College, and if you pick one of these up, you get a free drink, and you can sign up for some other goodies that they have going on. So just ask. They'll be over here in my clubhouse, over by where I sit all the time. In addition to that, as you're all well aware, Christine does a really good job of putting together all kinds of promotions for breast cancer awareness. I can tell you now that the event will be September 22nd. We got a lot more details following, but we've got it set up. It's really, really cool. And Rob went ahead and signed up for the Indian rental program. And there's a lot of really neat stuff going on with that too. I'll give you more details on that. Now, for some reason, I'm too dumb to get the letters to look the way they're supposed to look, so you're going to have to read this backwards. Bear with us. We're going to get better at this, and I think it's a good way. It solves a lot of problems. Anything else, Jackson?
No, just come on down and take advantage of these coupons. Save yourself some money right now.
And I have taken advantage of 3 of them. Don't tell my wife. All right, everybody. See you on down the road.
Have a good one.